Good day, everyone. Good day, EJ. Good day, partner. We asked some questions about yourself and, of course, about your cars. Is that okay?
Yeah, it's my pleasure.
Okay, to start this conversation, tell us about yourself first.
I'm EJ Ramirez, fourth year biology student at Cagayan State University. I'm from Luna, Apayao, and I took biology as my course because I want to become a successful doctor someday, and I'm so much sophisticated in terms of human beings.
That is interesting, Mr. Ramirez. Are there more possible reasons why you take biology as your course?
Yes, because I want to be a doctor someday. But of course, before that, gusto ko munang kunin yung doctoral degree. Tapos, planuhin kong mangibang bansa.
Why? Why can't you stay here? Why can't you treat or cure the Filipino patient here and build your own hospital?
Of course, I would like to stay here. Pero, kailangan mo muna mangibang bansa para kumita ng malaki at makapagpatayo ng sariling hospital. Tapos, igagrab ko talaga yung opportunity na pumunta dun para pag makaipon na ako, gusto kong makatulong talaga.
Oh, is that so, Mr. Ramirez? That quite frustrating in our part here in the Philippines because we have many graduates after, but come to think of it, they are go abroad after graduating, right, partner?
Yeah, you know, it's difficult also to decide where to go after finishing the tertiary level.
Yes, that's very true. Even if how much we wanted to stay our work here, you don't have choice but only to go abroad. As I said a while back, if there are opportunity, why don't you grab it?
But there are any frustration or hindrance taking up this course?
Yeah. I think if you don't have the ability to face all those challenges, you will not, and you must have the competence in yourself.
Now we know. We know, I know.
We know.
Oh, really?
Oh, that's great, partner, diba? It's very serious naman with our conversation. Let us ask him, or should I say her, about her personal life.
Yeah, that's exciting, partner.
Personal life?
Yes.
Personal touch.
I mean, about your personality you have. Why did you choose to be a gay? Or should I say, pretty woman?
Oh yeah, I admit that I'm pretty. Kasi may mga nagkakagusto din naman sa akin, di ba? Oo, tsaka, pero sorry sila, nare-reject ko sila minsan. Pero, meron pa rin yung inspiration ko, and that is the number one is my family, of course.
Yo, that's really ridiculous. And additional to what you said, according to Helen Keller, real beauty cannot be seen or cannot be even touched. It felt through our heart. Di ba, partner?
Yes, partner. May alam ka pang ganyan, partner.
Siyempre, partner. Siyempre, ako pa.
Now, how about your love life, your partner in life?
My partner in life, meron pero hindi sigurado.
Why?
Kasi
I
alam niyo
think
naman,
you have boyfriend eh.
yeah, meron niya, pero nasa malayo siya, pero hindi talaga sigurado kasi gusto ko talaga mag-focus muna sa studies ko.
That's an inspiration.
Oo, ginagawa ko na lang na inspiration ko yun.
Wow! That's interesting. That's, ganyan. Great.
Thank you.
So, good luck for both of you.
Yeah. And now, this is our end of conversation with Mr. Ramirez. Sorry. Even if you're busy to take your final exam, you have a good heart to conversation with us.
It's okay. Naintindihan ko naman eh. Estudyante din naman tayo, di ba?
Once again,
Thank you.
Mr. Ramirez. I am Rosemary Samoy, second year ICC.
I'm Nelsie Tolentino, BSICC second year.
Bye-bye. Thank you, sir.